Why standards? The point is so that we have committees that get together across the country so that we can have standard language. You know, you have different accents and languages that are common. ASL does as well. You know why standards are important? You know, the teacher teaches the language, and it's true, and you get it, and then you teach it in the language. That's when you take it in, and your skill level will improve and will mature. It will. What are the standards? There are five communication is the first one. Culture is the second. Connections is the third. Comparisons is the fourth. Communities is the fifth. The 5 C's. We're going to expand and talk about them. First, communication. We have 3 points for that. First, informal, where you just communicate real casually. Second is where you're being taught and the point comes across in your head, you get the understanding. The next is like a lecture where it's informing you. All 3 of those are involved in the first C of communication. The second C is culture. The deaf culture, you have 5 habits. What are they? We use these in our language. That's how we learn, and that's how we apply. We use those connections in our language. The 4th C is comparisons, which means I'm comparing my language to your normal everyday use language, or we're comparing it to English. That would be the comparisons. It's comparing the cultures between the deaf culture and the hearing cultures. 5th, and lastly, communities. It means encouraging everybody outside of the room to come and get involved and learn about ASL. Why are there so many standards? There's 5. Well, first let me explain. If you don't know about culture or any of the 5, you're going to be weak.